Hello, hello. Welcome everybody to a July 25th analysis and breakdown on gold and silver. I'll be doing breakdown analysis on FX pairs a little bit later. Right now, I'm gonna focus on gold and silver. Added silver to the watch list this week. I'll give you an explanation why um, on this video. But there's some volatility and some buyers into silver right now, and silver does have potential to shoot up. Was testing a few strategies on it. It's been playing out pretty nicely. I'll show you what happened with gold, what I traded on it, etc. It was pretty volatile. You had some pretty harsh and big movements, I'd say, very big movements. So it was tough to trade because if you entered, you might have been offside like 30, 40, 50 pips even in a matter of like seconds, right? So, but yeah, other than that, kind of a big news week too. We'll get on that in a bit. But yeah, let's get started. Let's go to the news first, like starting to see what's up. So you have core durable orders and durable good orders on Monday, 6:30. They'll move it a little bit, price of gold and on silver. Silver does follow gold in most aspects, but right now it's kind of on its own. It's just shooting up. It has potential to continue higher. I'll give you that analysis in a bit. CB consumer confidence on Tuesday. FOMC minutes, federal fund rates on Wednesday. Pending home sales, crude oil inventory. So there's a lot on Wednesday. This day, I'm not gonna trade. Maybe I'll have a few trades on forex pairs, but definitely not gold. Usually it does consolidate and have some weird movements on Fed days. So we'll see about that. Probably trade other forex pairs for that day. Then you have advanced GDP. So there's a lot of news this week actually. Chicago PMI, personal spending, etc. I'm gonna have to write this down, move that to another tab. I have a text box here. So you have a lot. Let me go core, durable. And then Tuesday at, what time is that? 8 o'clock. Whoops. You're gonna have CB consumer. What? Consumer confidence. That moves it quite a bit too. Wednesday. Wednesday, July 29th. That's a big news day. So we'll have that there. Wednesday, July 29th at 8 o'clock a.m. Home sales, 12 o'clock p.m. OMC. Let's go Fed funds rate. So it's a news heavy week. Just from experience, I'm probably gonna be more careful this week. News heavy weeks usually indicate a lot of volatility and a lot of harsh movements. Whoops. Advanced GDP, unemployment claims. Friday, I think there's one too. I'm just gonna make the other two 8 o'clock a.m. Chicago PMI. Whoops. So yeah, as you can see, heavy news day. Whoops, why are all these text boxes coming up? Delete those. So yeah, now we gotta take all these into consideration. Be careful on trading gold this week. Let's look at gold though. Let's look from a holistic point of view. Turn this music down a little bit more so you can actually hear the breakdown. So let's go from monthly. Monthly, as you can see, literally covering those wicks right now. About to make a new all-time high. If we go all the way here, I think that's gonna be 1920s is a high, and we can see here this cup is about to break out on gold. Means there's a lot of fears in the market, economic uncertainty, coronavirus fears, etc. I mean, they're trying to fast track the vaccinations right now, so that might bring positivity into it. But other than that, we can see that smart money is going into safe havens, which is gold right now. We go to the weekly. Yeah, weekly. It's kind of going parabolic right now. Next week, we could see another shoot up. And usually that's going to be an impulsive buy, especially with Fed funds rate. That might even push it up further, depending on what they say or the state of the economy if they have to shut down again, because some states are shutting down. Daily, same thing. Parabolic broke out of that 1815 level that we called last week, and then just 5 straight days up. I wasn't expecting this type of move, but gold does unexpected sometimes. 4 hour, yeah. I mean, it's all bullish. You can't sell it. You can't really. Yeah, you can't sell it. You gotta wait for price action to give you a move. So now we look. What am I gonna be looking for on this? So I've been drawing levels throughout the week. Levels that price bounces at, certain levels that price reacts to, like 1900. That's a decent level right there. I'm gonna have like a small box. Probably draw that in there. There we go. See? So we have that level there. We have this 1897 level. So there's a lot of traffic areas here. We have the lower level at 1883. That seems like it reacted quite a bit there at the 1884, sorry, excuse me, 1884 level. So you can see price actually kind of dip down before continuing up. But we have levels right now. Gold's pretty simple. That's gold. That's it. Nothing else. Nothing too crazy on it. You could see continuation upwards. So let me draw it out. Like I always do it. Get these arrows rolling. Whoops. Okay, let's get these arrows rolling. So we can see price continuation. And that's one thing I'm expecting. Price continuation. But in order to do that, we might have to see like a retracement here before a continuation upwards too. So that's one thing we could be on the lookout for. Little retracement and then a continuation on the upwards movement, kind of form the lower way. Kind of form the lower wake on the weekly, get some nice liquidity, and then a push up further. That's the one thing I'm looking for. I'm not looking for sells per se. I mean, I did have a couple last week, but the sells again played to levels. That's gonna be with market optimism, etc. But when you're in a sell on gold right now, you cannot hold on to it. It's not gonna break below 1850 this week. If it does, that's just insane. I've never seen anything like that. If it does. So let me zoom in a bit. Get this arrow a little bit down so we can see. That's basically it on gold. You have a lot of news. You have a lot of volatility into it. So I'm going to put it here. Continuation of bullish momentum to make new combined with market fears, uncertainty, smart money going into safe havens. Factors are going into this bullish momentum on gold. Heavy news week as well, so high harsh move can happen. Could potential continuation of bullish trend, all-time highs. I'm not gonna hold on to it. I feel like an investment on gold was already done. That would have been from this 1796 level that we had drawn out a few weeks prior. I mean, if I held that trade, oh boy, that would have been the trade of the century, to be honest. um, Price can pull back, creating a lower weekly wick before continuing. Buy on the breakout. Do not force support to happen. Wait for confirmation and execute. There we go. Whoops. Let me put that there. Cells only played between levels. Gold is still very bullish from higher frames downwards, so do not hold on to cells between levels and confirmations. There we go. And then that thing I copied and pasted, I'm just gonna have a little note here. Heavy news week is also heavy news week, so high volatility and harsh movements can happen. Capital preservation is the most important for this week and of the month too. So control risk. There we go. So that's basically it on gold. I'm gonna have to take a screenshot of that. Save image. I'll put it on my other screen. Good. Whoops. Undo that. I'm gonna copy this. Move this to silver too. Okay. Pretty quick and easy gold breakdown. Nothing too crazy with it. I mean, pretty simple. It's a bullish play. Extremely bullish. Now we look at this. Put this news here. Delete it here. Silver. Why am I looking at silver? Here, I'll show you why I'm looking at silver. Let me go down monthly. Monthly. Boom. Bullish momentum. Easily could hit $24. That's what I'm expecting. Eventually, hit this $27 mark I have here. Eventually, I think it hits 30s, 35s as silver. It always lags. And what I mean by that is look at the '08 crisis. '08 crisis happened. It was slow movement and then boom, parabolic upwards. That's what I'm expecting. Like this parabolic move started happening in September 2010, and this is kind of delayed. Now it's happening right now. So one thing I'm watching, so we can see the weekly candle, just boom, bullish momentum. Next week, kind of, I think we're gonna get a pullback, maybe pull back to like the 2150s area. I don't know, but when support is pre-created, I'll buy on the breakout. There's a strategy I was testing on it, and it's been kind of working. So we'll see. Daily bullish support was kind of created. 4 hour, yeah, 4 hour bullish too. 1 hour. It's in this range. I was playing this range the last couple days. It's pretty fun. And it was fun playing that range, but obviously it's hard to draw the levels out on here right now. I have to be completely honest with you. Like, I mean, even on the hour chart, we have to go all the way back. It's not even like worth my time right now to go all the way back. Daily, maybe. If we go all the way back far enough, could see the 20th levels. Yeah, 2150, 22, 23. So it's basically gonna be playing price action mostly on silver. Give me one moment. That there, get on the hour. Oh, what? Where'd it go? Move that there. Get on the hour. Perfect. Reset chart. A little bit more. Whoops. A little bit more. There we go. Heavy news week again. So what I'm expecting with silver is if we get a break below this level, kind of play with the clean traffic, kind of have it over here. That'll be my runner going. But even with that, I'm gonna put that arrow going a little bit diagonal. I feel like we're gonna see a bounce, continue bullish momentum upwards, or even if price action kind of hits here to the lower end of the support, or silver can't continue its bullish momentum upwards. I don't want to play sells per se on silver, but silver is in a bullish momentum. It's pretty simple analysis. You're just gonna be looking for buys. I'm gonna be looking for buys only on gold, on silver. Buys only on silver. Sells tough to play unless the 1 hour support breaks and has a downwards to grab liquidity. So that's gonna be my only sell play on gold. I mean on silver. Wow, I'm so used to gold. And what I'm looking for is, so here I'm gonna put bullish continuation upwards. Strong weekly candlestick. Easily can see another strong weekly candlestick depending on news and price action. Flash movement. Anticipation overall is to see a bullish continuation above resistance. Whoops. There we go. Put that there. Here we could see potential liquidity grab back to 22.50 level before consolidating, then viewing upwards. Oops. And then here, if support on 1 hour breaks, play to next level, then watch for a consolidation before price continues upwards. Smart money. Wow. So this is a viable option and really the only option to sell silver. Boom. Is a buy. There we go. It's basically it on silver. I mean, that was quick, easy analysis. It just takes 20 minutes out of the day. Got both these things saved. So yeah, no, that's basically it. I kind of like that analysis. I might post the daily recap on it too, to be honest. Have it up on the website. And then, yeah, other than that, that's one thing we'll be watching. We got the news over here, got the lines drawn out, got the levels, got the potential price movements, got what I'm looking for. I'll be referencing that sheet. You can find it on the live stream. and I'll be posting on the daily recaps on the website. So let me show how to access those daily recaps. Go to Genco Institute for Trading. Open up the tab. And I'm just gonna refresh this page. Oops. I'll save. Give me 1 second. So yeah, here's the website. Still work in progress. Got everything here. Investing basics. We still have to add more content, but daily recaps. You can catch everything here. Our trades and what we do. Sometimes we have a trade together. Gift team. Trades by me. Trades by Kyle. So yeah, no, I'll be posting the silver and gold analysis here as long as it with the other pair. So other than that, hope you enjoyed the stream. Once again, gold analysis, maybe a pullback, continuation higher, depending on the news as well. Sells only play between levels. Silver is on a bullish uptrend. You can see that from the video. Monthly higher time frames all bullish. So that's going to be a huge indication. But yeah, other than that, we'll see you in about 10 minutes for the Forex pairs analysis.